Hey friends! Today I'm planting 2 new pear trees that I ordered from Just Fruits and Exotics in Florida. These are replacing the same 2 trees that didn't make it through our crazy summer heat. A little trick I like to do when planting container trees, I actually cut off the bottom of the pot before planting. That way I can set the whole thing right into the hole without disturbing the roots. Once it's in place, I just cut along the side of the container, backfill around it, and then lift the container out of the planting hole. It really helps reduce transplant shock and keeps the root ball intact while the tree settles into its new home. I'm excited to see how these new pear trees grow. I hope they do better with the help of milder fall and winter weather. Now that the pear trees are in, I'm adding a few companion plants around them. These are African blue basil. They flower almost year-round here in Arizona and are amazing at attracting bees and other pollinators. I'm planting these in the ground around the pear trees. The idea is to draw more pollinators to this area, which will help increase fruit set once the trees start blooming. Plus, they smell incredible, looks beautiful, and you can even use the leaves in cooking or for tea. It's been such a beautiful September. We've had so much rain in the last few weeks, and everything in the garden just feels alive again. There's even more rain in the forecast this weekend, and we can't wait to plant a few more fruit trees while the ground is soft and happy. Thanks for watching, and here's to another season of growing and learning here at Epic Yard Farm.